Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Loretta Sexual. Guys, if today is your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, like and put your comment. Guys, on today's video we are making coconut oil, homemade. Now we are not going to buy it from outside, but we are making it on our own. So guys, let's start cracking our coconut so that it will be fast and easier for us to get our oil. So it's step by step, just follow it. So we are done cracking our coconut. So let's go and wash our coconuts. So guys, we are done washing. So let's start cutting the coconut so that it will be fast and quick for us to blend. We are done, guys. Let's go and blend it. This is our first blend, this is our second blend. So let's start sieve it. This our sieve. This our first sieve. So this is our second one, the last one, this set. Let's rinse it again. Yes. This is the last sieve. We are not going to sieve it again. So I just rinse the preserving bowl so that we will preserve it inside. So here we're gonna leave it for 2 days. So guys, after the 2 days, let's see how it looks like. It tastes like yaki, but this is what we need. Let's go and preserve it in a freeze. Let's put inside. Yes. So let's bring it outside and see what it tastes like. You see, so we will just remove the water out from it, then put it on fire. Yes, so this the oil is coming. So guys, you can just do it by your own in your house. Not gonna buy it outside. It's quite stressful, but so guys, we are done. I just have a little bit in my bottle. I'm adding what we've made to it. So guys, if it's your first time of watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like and comment on the video. See you on my next video.